Come on into the vegan cult, everyone. We've got peas.
What?
Seriously.
No.
67 of them.
Yes. 1P, 2P, 3P, 4. We've got 67. We got way more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We got peas all the way to heaven. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. All the way to 67.
Pass the peas, please.
Pass the pea to the pea dance. Pass the pea to the pea dance. Pass the peas. Give peas a chance. Pass the pea to the pea dance. Pass the pea to the pea dance. Pass the peas. Give peas a chance. 3 spoons on a plate. Tell everybody that you ate 67 peas. And tell them that you're pleased. That peas have protein, vitamins, and minerals, and each time you eat them, you're not paying a criminal to kill an innocent animal. You're showing the world you have a brain in your skull. Pass the pea to the pea dance. Pass the pea to the pea dance. Pass the peas. Give peas a chance. Pass the pea to the pea dance. Pass the pea to the pea dance. Pass the peas. Give peas a chance. This is McDonald's. Can I take your order, please? Yes, I'd like 67 peas, please.